Hey everyone, welcome to this complete Dropbox tutorial for beginners in 2026. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Dropbox for storing, syncing, and sharing files easily. First, open Dropbox and create an account using your email or Google account. This only takes a few seconds. Next, download and install the Dropbox desktop app on your Windows computer. This allows automatic syncing between devices. Now upload your first files by dragging and dropping them into Dropbox. You can upload documents, images, and videos easily. After that, understand how syncing works. Anything you upload on one device will automatically appear on others. Next, organize your files by creating folders. This keeps everything clean and easy to manage. Now you can share files or folders with others by clicking the share button. Just copy the link and send it. After that, install the Dropbox mobile app so you can access your files anywhere. This is very useful for on-the-go access. Finally, use Dropbox to back up important files like photos and documents. This keeps your data safe even if your device breaks or gets lost. So yeah, that's your complete Dropbox tutorial for beginners in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to manage files like a pro. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials.